Is RTC climate restoration one of our last hopes for survival? In a world grappling with the looming threat of climate change, a revolutionary nonprofit is sounding the alarm our current efforts are not enough. Restore the Climate, a nonprofit tax-exempt 501c3 organization, is challenging the global consensus with a bold mission to restore a safe climate by 2050. While world leaders rally around the goal of net zero emissions by 2050, RTC argues that this target falls devastatingly short. The harsh reality? In this episode, I loudly broadcast how we need to remove a staggering 1 trillion tons of CO2 from our atmosphere to truly safeguard our future. It's a number so large it seems almost insurmountable, 1 trillion tons of CO2. But before despair sets in, RTC offers a glimmer of hope. Nature in its infinite wisdom has accomplished this feat before, and now with our ingenuity and determination, we can do it again, but only if we act swiftly and decisively. The clock is ticking. To achieve a safe climate by 2050, we must scale up climate restoration solutions by 2030. This isn't just about switching to clean energy, though that remains crucial. It's about actively removing the excess CO2 already choking our atmosphere. Without this vital step, climate chaos will continue to escalate, wreaking havoc on our planet and all of us, its inhabitants. RTC isn't stopping at CO2. They're also committed to restoring safe methane levels, recognizing the potent impact of this often overlooked greenhouse gas. It's an ambitious goal, one that many dismiss as impossible, but RTC reminds us that Mother Nature has removed this amount of CO2 multiple times over millennia. The question is, can we replicate her success while Earth's delicate systems are still reasonably intact? The answer, according to RTC, is a resounding yes, but only if we act now. Their focus is on replicating and enhancing natural CO2 and methane removal processes. It's a race against time, with the finish line set at 2050 and a critical checkpoint in 2030. Behind this audacious mission is a team of visionaries, scientists, and engineers led by an international environmental lawyer. Climate leaders from 5 countries have united under the RTC banner, bringing diverse expertise and global perspectives to this crucial fight. Their vision is clear: by 2050, we will have restored a safe climate akin to the one we inherited. To reach this goal, climate restoration solutions must be scaled up dramatically by 2030. RTC is working tirelessly to secure commitments from government leaders, fund critical scientific research, and develop objective evaluation criteria for solutions that accelerate nature's CO2 and methane removal methods. But how does this tie into our daily lives and the products we use? The answer lies in innovative, eco-friendly solutions like green coatings. These advanced materials play a crucial role in protecting people, buildings, and the planet. By encasing structures in environmentally friendly coatings for the long term, we can reduce energy consumption, minimize harmful emissions, and contribute to the broader goals of climate restoration. These green coatings represent a tangible way for individuals and businesses to participate in the fight against climate change. They embody the principle that every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of restoring our climate. By choosing eco-friendly products and supporting initiatives like those championed by RTC, we all become part of the solution. As we face this climate crisis, organizations like Restore the Climate remind us that hope is not lost. With innovative thinking, unwavering commitment, and collective action, we can turn the tide. The path to a safe, sustainable future is clear now. It's up to us to walk it, one step at a time. You may like this quote from Daisaku Ikeda, Japanese Buddhist leader, author, philosopher, and educator. No matter how complex global problems may seem, it is we ourselves who have given rise to them. They cannot be beyond our power to resolve. What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.